Hello, everybody. My name is Dustin Hodgkin. I'm a licensed marriage and family therapist in private practice at Quince Place in the historic Bigelow neighborhood near downtown Olympia, Washington. Here is a virtual tour to help you navigate your way to my waiting rooms, restrooms, and therapy office when you arrive for your first session. Here's the first floor waiting room. There is no receptionist at Quince Place. Feel free to work on a puzzle while you wait. I'll come and greet you at your appointment time. Here's the second floor waiting room. Enjoy the relaxing music and reading material. Restrooms are available on the first floor and second floor, adjacent to the waiting rooms. And here's my therapy space. I hope you enjoy the natural light and the spacious vaulted ceiling. I've created a cozy setting with supportive sofa, pillows to hold on your lap for comfort, a throw blanket if you're cold, and a variety of warm teas and bottled water. There you have it. I look forward to beginning your therapeutic journey. See you soon.